what can be done, think of it. Instead what happened and kept crying. You need to be proactive, because if you keep crying and what happened, you think of it, nothing will happen. No any single result can be received by you, because results are there but you still think of crying. What can be done? If you think of it, then we can get the results. Because if you think of it, what can be done, it means you are becoming a proactive personality. How you can make a proactive approach? When you control the situations, you need to control the situations by making things happen, rather than waiting for things happen and reacting to them. It can be done when you really are becoming a slacker, because we need to be a slacker in some situations. If you train your mind to see better in every situation, so believe in me, you are making a beautiful story of your life, because you are training your mind to see beauty in every situation. So everything will become beautiful. Understand it. Feelings are temporary, so never take the decisions on basis of your feelings. They may harm you. I would get you the examples. One of my cousins was fighting with his family members, only just because of not getting the shoes, though he had lots of pairs of shoes. But even though he was fighting, when I went there, then I asked everybody, then I got to know what was the matter. I took him to the one guy who didn't have the legs, and I showed him. Then I made him understand that how valuable things are with him, but he was not especially giving them, adding the value in them. If you don't add the value in your quality, so it means you are personally rusting your qualities. Your qualities are not being rusted by anything else. Your qualities are being rusted by you. You are rusting them. But if you add the value and the things which may become in future valuable, so try to understand indirectly where you will also become valuable. So we have to make a proactive approach when really we think of it, what can be done in future. Now just because of COVID-19, most of the people are facing same problems. Of course I also have had the loss of 12 to 15 lakh, but I think how I can make the benefits out of it. So I started making a proactive approach. I started online and I got the lots of students through that. So through that, what I have been doing, I have been training people online. I have been making them speak English. Even my videos are there. These videos are teaching them through applied method. I have been making them speak English. So what I have been doing, what I used to do offline, now I have been making them do online. I have been giving them conversation class. I have been giving my students personality development session every Sunday. Once in a week I have been giving personality grooming session. Every week I have been giving. Last Sunday I gave PD, personality development session. Last to last Sunday I gave grooming session. Even I have been solving their problems. I have been giving them conversation class along with my team. My team members also have been supporting me, because it is the situation which is making you proactive if you let it happen. So what can be done? Think of it. Instead what happened and you are crying on it, you are crying upon it. Control a situation. You need to control a situation. Feelings are temporary, take care. So on the basis of feelings, never take the decisions. Okay, we get the loss, but if you get the benefits, so share it. Give the people benefits. So through that, at least people also through your thoughts others also will get the benefits. So thank you guys for listening to me. If you people think this video really is helping you, so please do share this video. Join my, if you are interested to speak English, if you think that you want to speak English flawlessly, so do join my institute. I would be training you. My online classes are going on. There I have been training people also through my applied method. I have been training people. There I have been teaching them how to speak English, how to converse, how to give instant reaction when somebody talks to you. You need to respond instantly. Reaction also we can give later on, but we need to do everything while becoming proactive. So thank you guys. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. I have been training the people in Jeet Pinnacle Institute for 18 years. If you are really interested to join, so my contact number is 9373537363. Thank you guys. Do join my institute, subscribe to my channel. At least somehow I would be making some videos which would be helping others also. Have a nice time ahead.